Hey there fellow travelers, Mark here with Wolters World, and today we're in Buenos Aires, Argentina. And today what we're going to talk about is actually tipping when you do come here to Argentina, because I know when people travel, they're never sure, do I tip? And if I do tip, who do I tip? So we're going to focus on that here in Argentina. And the thing is, when you go out to eat at restaurants and cafes, and you're going to be sitting down, you do tip about 10% on the bill. And the thing is, if you're going to be paying with credit cards, and you can pay with credit cards all over the place, it's not too big of an issue. But if you are going to be paying with credit cards, they do not have a spot to write the tip in, so you do need to have cash to leave a tip. So just know 10% at the restaurants and sit-down cafes is kind of like the going tipping rate. Of course, you don't have to tip, but it is kind of a nice thing to do when you are here. So some other tipping things you might want to think about is when you're going around. Now, when you take taxis, you don't need to tip the taxis when you are there. You might round up just for convenience of change and making change kind of purposes. So you don't do that. If you are taking buses around the country, which you will do because they're a lot cheaper than the flights, but they do take a long time, and you're going to be putting your bags underneath the bus, you do want to tip a couple pesos to the guy that's putting it underneath the bus and taking it out. That's one thing you would want to do. And if you're actually renting a car when you are here and you do park and somebody helps you park the car, you do need to tip that guy a couple pesos to make sure your car is still in the same shape when you come back. Now, there's no guarantee it won't get hurt, but when you do pay the guy, there's definitely a guarantee that has a less chance of getting marked up and stuff like that. So that's another thing you do need to probably tip on when you are here. Another thing is when you're staying at your hotels, make sure you leave a few pesos or $1 or $2 or even $5 for the cleaning staff of the hotel rooms. Just leave it on the bed when you go, and that'll help out because it does make a big difference for them. Also, it tends to get your room a bit cleaner too. Another thing is if you're going to be taking a guided tour, whether you're going to Iguazu and you want to go see the falls and have that explained to you, or going and taking a city tour here, or maybe going to a wine tour in Mendoza, things like that, you're going to have guides, and you do tip your guides if they're good. That's the key thing. If they suck, don't worry about it. If you got guides that are decent or good, you want to tip between 10 and 20% of that purchase price of your tour, so you know what to give. So I hope this helps you know a little bit more about tipping when you do come here to Argentina. It's a fantastic country. I used to study here and I loved it, so I came back with a family to show it to them, and it is really cool. So if you want to learn more about Argentina, the don'ts of Argentina, the shocks of Argentina, check us out on our website at woltersworld.com. We're also on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we really appreciate your likes and subscriptions. We hope you have a great time here in Argentina, and don't forget to tip the waiter that brings you that awesome steak. Yes, that awesome steak you're going to love and go, oh my God, it's so good. Yes, tip that 10% on them, okay? Bye from Argentina.